we will guide you through how to import Word file in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by opening the Illustrator app on your computer. When the welcome screen appears, look on the left side and select Create New to begin a new document. A pop-up menu will appear where you can adjust the document settings based on your preferences, or simply choose one of the available templates if you want a quicker setup. After you finish adjusting the settings, click Create to open your workspace. Once your workspace is ready, go to the File menu at the top of the Illustrator window. From the menu, select the Place option to begin importing your Word file. A file browser will appear, allowing you to search through the folders on your computer. Find the Word file that you want to import and select it from your computer. Before placing the file, look at the available import settings and make sure the Templates and Show Import Options boxes are checked. After confirming these settings, click the Place button to continue. An import option window will then pop out on your screen. Use the options provided in this window to adjust the Word file according to your needs and preferences before bringing it into Illustrator. When you are satisfied with the settings, click OK to start the import process. Illustrator will then process the document, and the Word file content will be instantly imported into your workspace. Once the content appears, use the Selection tool to select the imported content so you can make further adjustments. After selecting it, look for the corner handles around the content. Click and drag one of these corner handles to adjust the size of the imported content. Drag inward to make it smaller or outward to make it larger. This allows you to position and resize the imported Word content so it fits properly within your Illustrator workspace and matches the layout you are creating. Check the placement and size before continuing with your design.